Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start with feet shoulder-width apart and weight balanced evenly between both feet. Face your partner or camera and keep shoulders relaxed and down. Use 8 counts per phrase and sway on beats 2 and 4 to match the music. Shift weight gently from one foot to the other using your hips and ankles for smooth motion. Keep knees soft, approximately 1/4 bend, to absorb motion and maintain balance. Breathe naturally and smile to communicate ease and connection with your partner throughout the dance. Establish a simple frame with the right hand on your partner's back and the left hand clasped gently. Maintain a 1 to 2 inch space between chest centers to allow comfortable lead and follow communication. Keep your elbows soft and slightly away from the body to avoid tension or stiffness. Use a small torso rotation of about 15 degrees to emphasize the sway motion without overreaching. Lead with intention using core engagement rather than arm force so your partner can respond naturally. Keep eye contact or a soft gaze to sustain connection and musicality. Introduce styling by adding a head roll that takes 2 counts to accent the last 2 beats. Practice a light turn variation that lasts 4 counts, using 3 steps and a pivot on the final count. Use hand and arm embellishments sparingly, adding them on roughly 25% of phrases to create dynamic interest. Keep feet grounded and weight transfer clear so styling does not disrupt balance. Always communicate intent before trying a variation so both partners share timing and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.